Hello, hello, Twitch. Hello, hello, Twitch. Okay. Let me see if I'm live. I test. Yeah. Okay, everything's good. I removed the audio and the background. I removed the monitoring. Like as you can see, I removed. Never again. I guess if I'm playing a game, I'd include this. But if I'm playing like Spotify, right? I think even though it's like allowed in Twitch, even though there's like a song that's like allowed in Twitch, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's allowed on YouTube. Like if you look at my channel here, I'm like copyright. I'm a copyright, and then it's partially blocked. I'm not going to do it again. So yeah, I'm not going to. Yep, I'm not going to. I guess risk it again. My channel is not yet monetized, so I don't really care. It doesn't really affect me. But like, I'm thinking about a future, right? Where yeah, what can I get away with? And apparently, I can't really get away with. Yeah, it sucks. Like, cause it's again, it's a playlist that's allowed on Twitch, but for some reason, it gets copyrighted on YouTube. Like, why? Yeah. However, oh, whatever. I mean, whatever. Move on, right? Move on. Life goes on. So, yeah. Like what I've said before on an earlier stream this morning, I'm just going to continue this. I still have a bit on my daily goal. I'm just going to continue this. I think I haven't finished this. Yeah, I haven't finished this. Yeah, I'm just going to continue this. No warm-ups whatsoever. I think my mic is too. I don't know. Sagiji. Turn some mop. Some knocks. Ah. Also going to reduce the volume too loud. Maybe should I play Spotify? Yeah, since I'm not monitoring it, I think I'm allowed to play Spotify, right? You guys will not be able to hear it, but Spotify here. But yeah, the I'm just going to play songs, I guess. And you guys will not be able to hear it. Don't blame me. Blame the copywriters. But now, at least now I can actually play songs that are, like, I'm not limited to songs that are only allowed on Twitch. I'm just praying that my mic will not pick it up. Because I have to. Yeah. Because it's on my speakers. I'm just hoping it's soft enough that my mic won't be able to pick it up. Yeah. Yeah, it's not picking it up. Okay, it's not picking it up. After this, I'm going to start the project. I've been thinking about it. Like, I think I don't need to stream. There's a project that I'm currently working on, right? Like I'm still in the planning stage because I've been too lazy to to continue the project. But I've been thinking that I don't think I should stream. I don't think I mean, I should stream like 100% of the work, and so that yeah, and I should work on it even if I'm not streaming. Yeah, so that I could get shit done. It's like if I only work when I'm streaming, then I can only work for like 4 hours. I mean, 2 hours max every single day, and that's not a lot of hours. The thing is, like, if I'm limiting myself to work only when streaming, right? Uh, I can't stream on. I mean, I can't work on like uh, the afternoon. I can't work on afternoon because, as I mentioned, like I the temperature it's terrible. But I can at least work on some code. Like, it's on. Thank you for the warning. But yeah, it would suck that I guess Twitch wouldn't see the whole process. Like I wanted it to be the whole process, right? But I guess I'll save it for future streams when I can afford an AC. Yeah, and I can work for more hours, right? Like, yeah, being in the Philippines and not having an AC is like terrible. 87%. Like even now, I'm already sweating. It's not seen in the camera, but yeah, I'm sweating. Right, I'm going to adjust my fan. Yeah, I should get an AC. uh, I've been, I've been, how do you say it? Contemplating it for a while. Like, should I go back to school or should I find a job? Right? Because all of the jobs that I found, they're lowballing the offers, salary offers, and I fucking hate it when they do that. The economy is on a like on a downturn, right? A lot of people are desperate to get a job, and because a lot of people are desperate, a lot of devs are desperate for jobs. Not entry level. I mean, not senior level. It doesn't affect senior, mid, and senior level. It only affects entry level devs, so junior interns, yeah, trainees. It only affects them, like entry level devs, including me. Like as I meant, I'm still considered entry level because I have less than 2 years of experience. Uh, but yeah, the economy is shit. uh, it's hard to find like. I don't know where people, you know, get the good job where the company cares for the devs and they actually pay the devs well. Yeah. So yeah, that's why I'm thinking since the economy is shit right now, right? Like I've been trying to get a job, I couldn't really, I couldn't get the offer that I want. You get what I mean? Like my resume is good enough for me to get noticed, right, by companies, and my interviewing skills is good enough for me to bullshit my way. I don't really have an issue with whiteboard anymore. Unlike before, like I was really bad at it. But I've been streaming, right? I've been streaming, so I've been a bit more comfortable talking while coding and stuff. It's one of the reasons why I started Twitch in the first place. But yeah, so like it's not really interviewing. It's not really the resume that's the problem. It's not interviewing. That's the problem. Maybe the problem is I don't know where to find the good jobs. uh, it's hard to find them on traditional job boards. Like it's like the lottery. It's like the lottery in traditional job boards. Oh, it reset. That sucks. Okay, it's okay. I'll just do 10 minutes and then I'll do 55 tomorrow. I'll just do 10 minutes. Okay, just do 10 minutes. So yeah, uh, yeah. That's why I've been thinking: should I go back to school instead and wait for like because I'm a self-taught dev. I went to college and then I dropped out because I didn't like the curriculum. uh, yeah. For those not in PH, like if you're maybe in Europe or I know that some shitty schools in the US have the same curriculum as in the PH, where they teach you general stuff in college. They don't teach you specialized stuff. They teach you like uh let's say for example your course is business, right? They will also teach you everything else that is not business. So like your course curriculum would be like maybe I don't know, 20% business, 10% bullshit, something like that. Yeah, something like that. Like it will be something like that. Especially on the earlier years. I've heard now. On later years, it gets much more specific, right? Like the minor subjects. Yeah, it's the minor subjects. Like there's a lot of there's a lot of subjects that is not related to your course, but you have to take it because it's part of the curriculum. That's the curriculum in the Philippines, and that's one of the reasons why I'm contemplating it. If the curriculum was not that bad in the PH, like I would have pursued college here, but like I just thought it was shit. like 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 if I want to be a dev, right, I'd like subjects related to software engineering, computer science, software engineering, maybe a bit of embedded. Like that would be good. That would be good. Right? Like I don't need the rest of the bullshit that universities in the PH offers. Like I already took those subjects when I was in kindergarten. I already took those subjects when I was in elementary. I already took those subjects when I was in college. I mean high school and then senior high. And it's like the same subjects in college. I'm like, yeah, at some point you're like, yeah, when is enough enough? Yeah, it's one of the things. So, yeah, I guess like I'm on the lookout for schools that don't follow the traditional, how do I say, traditional curriculum. 'Cause I don't like the traditional curriculum. It's really shit. Uh, yeah, yeah. I've been thinking about it. Like, because again, like, I don't think I'll get any job anytime soon. With the yeah, it sucks, but that is what it is, right? What can you do? I still find it kind of. I wouldn't say I regret it that I applied late. I applied pretty late. I applied like December 2021. I don't know, not December 2021, like December 2022. If I applied like uh, if I applied maybe March 2022, I think yeah, I would have gotten an offer that I want, but yeah, I delayed my job application in favor of taking more online courses. I should not have done that. I think what I should have done is next time, like if I were to start over, is just focus on like one stack, right? One tech stack, and just target that. Like my mistake last year was I tried to learn a lot of stacks, so I went for breadth instead of depth, right? And I failed a lot of interviews because of that, because they were like questioning my abilities on specific stacks, and because I went for depth, I didn't really have the depth for a specific stack. So yeah, that's why I was not really as favorable as other candidates, I guess. Yeah, specializes on those stacks. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now as I'm trying to specialize. And I guess that would be like my advice to other devs who are still starting out. I'm pretty sure you will hear some advice online, right? Where be a generalist, learn the theory, instead of the tech. I mean, there's some truth to it. Like if you go for breadth, uh, you learn a lot of stuff. Like because some stacks they have like different ways of solving the same thing, right? So I guess you'll learn the alternative. But again, like if you want to maximize getting a job, it would be best to want to maximize getting a job, right? And also your sanity. If you want to maximize your time, if you want to be sane, to stay sane, right? Also, don't learn full stack. If you're still sorting out, do not learn full stack. Well, again, that's the mistake last year. I learned full stack. I couldn't. Like, once you're on the job, no one will. There's no company that will let you work on full stack as an entry level. Yeah, I got like, I guess, influenced by what I saw online. I guess that full stack was the big thing. Like when I was learning stuff, that was everywhere on the internet. Like before the AI boom, right? Before the No, it was even before the DevOps boom. It was before the DevOps boom. It was before the AI boom. Yeah, it was still the full stack boom and stuff. So like everyone was saying, "Hey, learn full stack and stuff." Yeah, don't do that. If you're going to if you're going to try to break into web, right? Web, pick a stack. Pick which part of the web do you want to learn. Do you want to learn backend? Do you want to learn front end? Do you want to learn testing? Do you want to learn PM? Right? And whatever path you ever want to take, just learn that path, right? And don't be distracted by the other paths. Again, it's faster to learn that way, and it's easier to market yourself that way too. What if I get like copyright strike by humming the tone? I don't really know how it works, like getting copyrights. Okay. I'll just 100% this thing. YouTube, it's done. Let me see if it's done. Oh yeah, by the way, if you've missed the stream, all my VODs are saved on my VOD channel. It's linked somewhere in my Twitch, the about page. Where's it? Content. So we're getting a noise. We're getting a noise. That's still getting edited. Oh, it takes a while. I'm going to mute every audio. I'll check. I'll check again later. So I'll just 100% this, and then I guess we can continue with working with the other. What if I reduce the... Sometimes OBS just dies. Sometimes OBS just dies. Let me check. Is everything good? Everything good? Everything good? Okay, okay. Sometimes OBS just dies for no reason at all. That's why I monitor my stream, because like, yeah, things like this will happen. It's a Linux. I'm not sure if it's a Linux problem or I don't know. What did I think I mentioned this before, but I installed OBS on app, not the Snap, not the Flatpak package. Because I tried OBS, the one in the Snap store. It didn't work. It was also outdated. I'm not sure how stable that was, but yeah, I was not able to make it work. Same thing with the Flatpak package. Offline. It's only the one in the app store apps that worked, app package that worked. Hard to buy a laptop, right? Should it be Linux or should it be Windows? Thinking about it, because like again, like Linux is good and all, but like yeah, it's the support of like it's for example games and apps like OBS, right? Like I feel like the OBS in Windows is more stable than the OBS even though OBS is open source, like, and mainly written in Linux, right? It's mainly written for. I would imagine it's mainly written for Linux, but I could be wrong. Well, for some reason, the since the Windows version, the Windows, yeah, the Windows version has more users, and it's more stable there. It's yeah, most of the updates are there. Yeah, but I would if I ever switch back to Windows, right? I would miss the desktop, the window thing. Like if you press the window key and then you can have like multiple windows, right? For example, I have a file system. See, like I have another. Let's say I have Sublime. See, like I will miss this, and also I will also miss the switching workspaces. This thing. Like it's so easy to do that in Linux. In Windows, it's a pain. Windows has this concept of virtual desktop, but it's not fun to use it. Like it's not. Yeah. Like I will also miss the terminal because CMD is shit. Batch file, low. Bash is broken, man. Like in terminal, in terms of like terminal, right? Like batch and the shell at batch, the bash shell. Like it's so good. and the Bash, the programming language. It's so good to use. Like if you ever want to learn scripting, right? I'd recommend Python, right, for general purpose scripting. But like if you want to script like simple scripts and closer to the OS, right? Like shell scripts, then Bash is like so good. It's so fun to learn it. And yeah, if I ever switch back to Windows, I would really I would really miss Batch. I mean Bash, not Batch. I would really miss Bash. Bird. Bash. I wonder if I could correct, like if I just hum the song. Okay, continue, and then I'm done. So it's for tomorrow. I guess what I'll do now is I'll go to my GitHub, create a new repo. I'm going to delete one repo. What's this? I guess I'll delete this. Delete this, right? How do you delete a repo? I don't need this anymore. I'm going to make the repo public. Delete this. First delete this repo. How to delete this repo? Okay. Okay. It should be 26. And then I'm going to create medrec. And then no, no. Medical record. Medical record system for medical record system. Okay. And then add a readme file. Add ignore is Python. Use a license MIT. Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to delete the repo, right? This repo's here. I'm going to delete this, and then repos internal. I'm going to clone this. Oh yeah, I forgot. I should also have Excalibur. Excalibur somewhere. Yeah, this thing. I haven't really done much work here. I'll try to do it even when I'm not streaming. That's my issue, I guess. That is that I was, yeah, since I couldn't really stream so much, right? With Control K O, and then medrec. Where's medrec? There. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set up Django and Django REST. That's it. You can also use this as my basis. I have this. I can use this as a basis. But there's also another thing that oh no. Here. it's not supposed to show this, but I guess yeah, here. There. Okay, okay. So. I'm using Python 11, Python 3.11, and I'm just going to create a VE. First, I'll create a VE. So terminal, get a VE, and then pip install Django or something. Django REST. Guess I'll also have uh, over time pattern. I keep on forgetting how to do it. Where's the download? Install Django. Okay, install Django. Then implementation. Oh, what? Where's the? Other? And then Django, Django project, Django admin start. I should have start project. No, I'll just call it app project. Okay. And then okay, then be okay. I manage runs. Ah, cause I should move this thing. Let's see. Equals direct. I don't know how to make it so that how to rename this. Okay. Then time management server. Then localhost. Okay, everything's working. And then Django REST. Django REST. Django REST. Django REST framework. How do you do it? Django REST framework. It installed Django REST framework. Don't support for the browsables. Doing support. I don't know what this does. Just to Jan. Uh, Well, then I guess I'll just freeze it, right? Freeze, freeze, lines, that's okay. Okay, and then I'm going to start an app, which is the API app, right? How do you create app? In I manage startup. I manage startup API, and I manage startup regions. This is, I guess, the thing that I'll do first is thing I'll do first is this region thing. So yeah, that's why I have API and then regions. And then how do you do it again? Uh, I have API. I guess I'll check the URLs, the views API. Also check the. Oh yeah, I need to put it on the settings for that pie. I need to put it here. API. Yeah, it's. I think it's somewhere here. I'm kind of glad I did this beforehand, like an assessment. Right? Did the assessment beforehand. Regions. Report to be features. REST framework. API. Yeah. What else did I do? Didn't I install? Oh yeah, Django extensions. We've installed Django extensions. Like Django extensions. It's for Shell Plus. Pip install Django extensions. Extensions. What do I don't pip these requirements. Django extensions. Okay. And then I would also have it here. Oh wait, no, I cannot. I cannot do that. Okay. Keep on forgetting I cannot do that. Settings apply. Extensions. Have it here. And number extensions. Okay. Okay. So I have now Shell Plus. I have REST framework installed. What should I do next? Is I think it's in the URL supply. I'm going to include. I guess I'm going to include and then pass API. Include the URLs. And then the API is for API, right? Okay, this is for API. I'm going to add a URL supply. URLs.py. And then Django.URLs import include path. What? I don't have views yet. I'll just put it here. URL patterns equals path uh regions. Let's include include regions or URLs. Use the API. Yeah. So I need to include the for now I think I don't need this, so I guess I'll just do this for now. SS regions and regions. There's and regions inside these URLs. We're gonna select URLs.py from Django.urls and regions. That's our what are the regions again? I don't need country. I have region 8, so I think I would need city. Okay. I need city. Use this. Yes. Start city view. City view. List city. I don't need to create city, so just list city, I guess. List city view. I don't need to list. We have city, we have district. Is that right? City district. Is there like regions? Let me see. Province. Let me see the thing. Province. There's 6. Oh, okay. So province. No, this is province, I guess. Province. Use that list. Province view. List view. Views that list district view. Okay. Dot import views. Then from views, From Django import regions. No. Why do I have from Django import regions? From Django you also import these, and then views.py here is going to create this the list views, right? The list province view pass this city this district view, and then the Django rest. I don't need to render anything from. Do you do it again? You have a product and you want to view it from REST framework. Import. I mean, how do you? Generics. It's in generics. Like generics. It's not my fault, okay? My stream died again. Yeah. It's this thing. Okay. I don't need list create. I just need to represent a collection of model. I just need like list. Just need list. I just need list. So I was wrong. I guess it's like list. How to do it again? Class region. No, it's not list create. It's class province. Class province list view. And then I'm going to add list API view generics from wait, from REST framework import generics dot list API view. Okay. I said I don't want to create stuff. I just want to list stuff, right? So list province list view and just pass. This is city, and then district district right? Country, province, city, district, and I guess addresses. I don't know where to put the address. Region. Yeah, put it in the user, like specific to the user, right? They have different addresses. Anyways, so I have this, and then you convert it. You have a class-based view, so you convert it to a view like this, like a as view. So I also need like detail view, right? Province. I mean, I wouldn't need that. Do I need a detail view? I think I don't need a detail view. I'll just add it instead. I don't need that. So yeah, province detail view. Alice IV this. I have a feeling that I'm. What's the name? The detail retrieve API. API view. It's fast. Then province, city, and district. Okay, and then did they separate it? Yeah, I want to make it read only. How do you make it read only? Did view sets. Hmm. I'll just how do I say it? Refactor it later. This is the thing that I know how to do, so I guess I'll do it this way. Mm, province list view. Is there like a list detail view? Retrieve, update, destroy. List. Province list. Oh no, this and this. the interview. Is it correct? Let's see the URLs. Doesn't even have URLs. This is weird. Ah, I know why it doesn't have URLs. Regions. I'm lost. Anyways, from that views, from that import views. Ah, I think it's province list view. Uh, What about the normal regions? Hmm. I kind of get it. Like I think it was designed something like this. Like what I'm referencing is something like this. Like, something like regions. It something like regions, and then uh province code or something. Province code and then province code or something. I think it's designed like this. It's not designed as regions and province and it lists. It's, but if it's designed like this, then the URLs would be just rows of page be like yes. How do you design this? Uh, go admin. No. How is Django REST URLs that I and design URLs and point should be regions. Def get region list view. No. It should also be endpoint. I mean, region list view. I don't know. I don't know. I think it's better to put it here. That province. I think I'll just refactor it later. Because this is the issue with when you're trying to do something and you're not really sure what you're doing. But yeah, I guess that's how you learn, right? That's how you learn. Like this. Okay. Let's just do that for now.